How old are you? I'm retired now. I'm 70 years old. What payouts have you received? I made a profit. One payout was $320 and the other was $180. What would you say to someone who worries that it may already be too late for them? If someone tells themselves, this isn't for me, so I'm not even going to try, they'll never get started. I've already attended 2 trading camps, and you get direct access to a true trading expert. Tell us a little about yourself. What do you do on a day-to-day basis? What does your life look like right now? I'm retired now, but I do a little bit of everything. In fact, that means I don't have much free time. I trade as well, take care of the garden, help people with technical issues in cars, and do some construction work. Right now I'm building a patio for a friend, so there's always plenty to do. How did you first discover ALLin Traders? I think I received an email inviting me to a meeting with Paweł Grądziuk, and it all started from there. I've also attended 2 trading camps, so I've gained some experience along the way. Before I ask the next question, tell us how old you are. I just turned 70. That's impressive. I really respect the fact that you decided to take this on. Did you have any concerns before joining? Did you ever think that trading might not be for you, or that it could be too difficult at your age? Of course, there are always some concerns, especially financial ones. If you put too much money into something, you can lose a lot. But generally speaking, I didn't have any major doubts. I'm open to new things, which is why I'm willing to try different opportunities. How long after watching your first webinar with Paweł or seeing his content did you begin to see your first profits? I did make a profit. I think one payout was $320 and the other was $180. Those amounts were in US dollars, correct? Yes. Were those payouts from your own live account or from a funded account? From a funded account. What was the account size? I think it was around $20,000. Do you feel that ALLin Traders gave you enough support? I think so, although I didn't always take full advantage of it. There's a lot of information available, but I don't always have enough time to go through everything. Do you regret not starting trading earlier? Definitely. The only problem is that when I was younger, the internet didn't even exist yet. So that was the main obstacle. Can trading be a way to earn additional income during retirement? It can, but you have to approach it carefully. How did your family react to your education with ALLin Traders and to trading in general? Many people are skeptical and worry that trading could be a scam. What was your experience? I try not to involve them too much. I've heard it said that sometimes your family can become the biggest obstacle to your business, so I decided to keep this mostly to myself. What would you say to someone who is considering joining the mentoring program but worries that it may already be too late? I don't think it's ever too late. You simply need to spend some time practicing on a demo account. Don't jump in immediately expecting to make a huge amount of money, because that's one of the fastest ways to lose it. First, you need to build your knowledge and get some practice. What would you say to someone who wants to join the mentoring program but is a complete beginner and thinks they won't be able to handle it? Everyone starts as a beginner, so that's not an excuse, unless someone simply doesn't want to try. If a person tells themselves, this isn't for me, so I'm not even going to try, they'll never get started. What are your trading plans for this year? Do you want trading to become your main occupation, or do you see it more as an additional source of income? I see it more as an additional source of income. It's difficult to say, because if I wanted to make it my main occupation, I would have to devote much more time to it. As I mentioned, I don't have much free time, so for now, I treat trading as something extra. Still, whenever you can make and withdraw some additional money, that's a good thing. Could you share a few final thoughts? How do you like ALLin Traders and the trading camps? Overall, what do you think about the project and Paweł's approach to education? Honestly, I really like it. The trading camps are excellent. You can learn a lot, meet many new people, and get direct access to Paweł, who truly knows trading inside and out. Everything is organized very well, and I can genuinely recommend it. Thank you very much for taking the time to speak with us.